Hi, this is Howard from All-in-One Contracting. We're doing some three-way 15 amp single pole three-way switches. Make sure you use the same type of switches that you're going to be using, whether it be from this end to the next end. You cannot use something separate. Over here, this is a single pole, this is a single switch. So the bottom half, you see here with the black, that half there is where the power is going to come in, and that's where you're going to connect your power. The black, pay attention to this part. The black that comes with the power is connect to this one. This is the main switch. Red's at the top, or it could be black. From this 14-3 wire that's coming. So the 14-3 has a black, has a red, and a white. The white is connected to the common. And then the black that comes out of the 14-3 wire is connected here. And the other wires, the red wire is connected here. And this will be the power that's coming in. This is live right now, so it works. And then these are going to be pot lights that's going to go in. So on the opposite side here is where the opposite receiving end of that 14-3 comes in. So when it comes over here, you're going to take, the only changes over here now is that this light that we have installed, the black wire is hooked onto the top half of this now, as opposed to the other side, it was the power. So it changes once it comes over here, and the black now becomes the light, and the bottom half is just the common that comes from the 14-3 red and white wire from here, and then the other red one's connected over here. This one gives you the ability to turn on and off. The only tricky part is black wire for power over there, and when it comes all the way over from the 14-3 wires over here, it's only the light that's connected to black over here.